কত ফল খাওয়া না দিয়া রাই ফল আর কি করিব I am the only gardener. If I do not distribute these fruits, what shall I do with them? How many fruits can I alone eat? Purport by Srila Prabhupada. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu produced so many fruits of devotional service that they must be distributed all over the world. Otherwise, how could he alone relish and taste each and every fruit? The original reason is that Lord Sri Krishna descended at Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was to understand Srimati Radharani's love for Krishna and to taste that love. The fruits of the tree of devotional service were innumerable, and therefore he wanted to distribute them unrestrictedly to everyone. Srila Rupa Goswami therefore writes, Anarpita Sarim Chirat Karunayavatirna Kalam Samarpayitum Unnata Ujjvalarasam Sobhakti Sriyam Hari Purata Sundara Viji Kadamba Sandhipita Sada Vriyakandari Suratu Satinandana. There were many precious incarnations of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, but none were so generous, kind, and magnanimous as Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. For he distributed the most confidential aspect of devotional service, namely conjugal love of Radha and Krishna. Therefore, Sri Rupa Goswami Prabhupada desired that Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu live perpetually in the hearts of all devotees, for thus they can understand and relish the loving affairs of Srimati Radharani and Krishna. His desires are also unlimited. This example of unlimited fruits is factually appropriate even within the material context. For the goodwill of the Supreme Personality Godhead, there can be enough fruits, grapes, and other foodstuffs produced, so that all the people in the world will finish them, even if they ate 10 times their capacity. In this material world, there is actually no scarcity of anything but Krishna consciousness. If people become Krishna conscious, by the transcendental will of the Supreme Personality Body, there is enough foodstuffs produced, so that people will have no economic problems at all. One can very easily understand this fact. The production of fruits and flowers depends not upon our will, but the supreme will of the personality of God. If he is pleased, he can supply enough fruits, flowers, etc. But if people are thirsty and godless, nature, by his will, restricts the supply of food. For example, in several provinces in India, especially Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, and other adjoining states, there is sometimes a great scarcity of foodstuffs due to lack of rainfall. So-called scientists and economists cannot do anything about this. Therefore, to solve all problems, one must seek the goodwill of the Supreme Personality Body by becoming Krishna conscious, worshipping him regularly in devotional service. Ekola mala karami koto pholo khabo na diya ba ei pholo ar ki kori. Srila Kaviraj Goswami speaks something. I don't know how far you can really see it. How far I can express it in my language. Very, very deep, confidential philosophy of pure love. Pray. That Anarpita Tarim Chirat Karunaya Avathinna Karau Samarpayitu Unnata Ujjvalarasam Bhakti Sriyam Hari Vata Sunnaradhi Kadamba Sandhipita Sada Hudayakandare Suratuvo Sajinandam. Sada Hudayakandare Suratuvo Sajinandam. Unless can carry Sachidananda in your heart, you cannot understand. Most important. গৌরাঙ্গের দুটি পদ যার ধনু সম্পদ সে জানি ভগবতী রস ভালো না? Narottam Das Thakur sings, we sing that song. He knows, only he knows. গৌরাঙ্গের দুটি পদ যার ধন সম্পদ টু লোটাস feet of গৌরাঙ্গ is well and estate. No other wealth and asset. Whose only wealth and asset is to lotus feet of Gauranga. Only he understands this. Bhakti rasa sara, the essence of Prem Bhakti. Sara means, you know. Gaura Prema rasa nabe, je tarange deva dibe. Se Radha Narada. Gaura Prema Rasarna. Gaura Prema Rasa. The middle of Gaura Prema is an ocean, unlimited ocean. One who always drowns himself in that ocean. You follow me? Always drowns himself in that ocean. He knows. He is very dear and intimate to Radha. Radha Madhavan only. Only he can resist that. Otherwise nobody can resist. You follow me? No. So, this is here. Prabhupada said, original reason that Sri Krishna descended, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was to understand Srimati Radharani's love for Krishna and test that love. No. Three desires. It is. That is eternal cause of Gaurava. So how can one understand that Srimati Radharani's love for Krishna? Then test it. Then distribute it. An easy affair? Not an easy affair. Narottam Das Thakur says, Rupa Raghunath Bode Hoiva Akuti Obe Amo Bujhobo Se Jurava. Narottam Das Thakur says, when I can understand that love between Radha and Krishna, impossible. Rupa Raghunath Bode Hoiva. Catching straw with the teeth. If I cry, from the core of my heart, if I cry, clasping the lotus feet of Rupa and Raghunath, beg their mercy, if they saw the mercy on me, then I'll be able to understand the love between Radha and Krishna. Otherwise, I can't. Rupa Raghunath Bode Hoiva Obe Amo. I saw. Well, I understand. I can't. It's not an easy affair. You understand? Not an easy affair. So, in order to taste that, understand that, and taste that now, Krishna came as Gauranga, accepting the mood, complexion of Radharani, isn't it? Without that, one cannot. Krishna cannot understand. Krishna cannot resist. What to speak of myself and yourself and others? Then one question is there. This question is there. What is that question? If Shyam Sundar or Krishna would have assumed only the mood of Radharani, he would have released it. Huh? So what is the use or utility of assuming the complexion of Radharani? This is our question. Huh? You follow me, my language? Excuse me, my language is what language. I try my best to express this in a philosophy. Very confident. This is the question. Huh? Why? What is the necessity of accepting the complexion of Radharani? Only mood. You have assumed the mood, accept the mood of Radharani. You have released it. What is the necessity of accepting the complexion of Radharani? This is a very, very deep, understand, question, philosophical question. You know, what's the answer? What is your inner mood? You understand? That will manifest as the complexion. It is quite natural. You understand? So, it is not different. Example, a Greek unripe mango. You understand? The inside is not ripened. So, outside complexion is green. It's quite natural. When it becomes ripened, then complexion changes. It becomes yellow. You follow me? So, when Krishna accepts the mood of Radharani, it's quite natural the complexion will manifest. You follow me? Krishna is Shyam Sundar, is Shyam. Is Shyam, like green mango. Green. This is very, very confidential topic relating to the mellow. Because Acharyas, like Rupa Goswami, Jiva Goswami, they know this. They say, the complexion of Sringara Rasa is Shyam. You follow? Complexion of the Sringara Rasa, color of the Sringara Rasa is Shyam. Therefore is Shyam Sundara. Sringara Rasa Raja is Sringara Rasa Raja. You follow me? Sringara Rasa, you understand? Conjure of male. That is Sringara Rasa. Do you follow? The color of that Sringara Rasa is Shyam. So he is Shyam Sundara. And he is Sringara Rasa Raja. So he is Shyam Sundara. That is natural color. You understand? Do you follow? But the color of love, anuraga, affection, love and affection is reddish, like rising sun. The color of the rising sun. That is the color. The love and affection. Do you follow me? And by gradual, the sun rises, then goes up, 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 up. It's gradual rising. So at noon, it's not reddish, it's yellow. Isn't it? Do you follow me? So when this mood becomes more and more and more pleasant. Gradually it turns that reddish color turns and alloys like molten gold. You follow? That is the complexion of Gauranga. Tattva Kancana Gaurangi, Tattva Kancana Gauranga. You understand? It's molten gold. Complexion of molten gold. That is the bodily complexion of Radharani. That is bodily complexion of Gauranga. You understand? So, when he accepts the mode of Radharani, it is quite natural that complexion will be manifested. Then another question, one is also raised. If Gauranga Mahaprabhu is Krishna, is not different from Krishna. So only accepting the mood of Radharani, he could have remained Krishna, Shyam, outwardly, but harm is there. This is another question. But harm is there. Yes, harm is there. Definitely there is harm. And what is that? You understand? As Radharani is crying, feeling the pangs of separation from Krishna. You understand? Gauranga Mahaprabhu is similarly crying. You understand? For Krishna. कहाँ गले कहाँ मुरली बदल के बोले मिलाया तेरे श्री नंदन नंदन where shall I go? Where shall I find that Krishna that float with his leaf? Can anybody help me to find out that son of Nanda Maharaj? Saying this, Gauranga Mahaprabhu is crying. You understand? So when you look at his body, can he cry? Oh, I am Krishna. Can he cry? You follow me? So this harm is there. He cannot relish that mellow. There must be some stress from it. No relishment will be there. So you should not disturb the mood of God. Decorating or clothing him as Krishna. Decorating him as Krishna. Then disturb his mood. He cannot cry. He cannot release that mellow for which he has become Gaura. Krishna has become Gaura. That releasement will not be there. Then you must try impairment, isn't it? So this is it. Acharyas have said, another point is that, yes, Mahaprabhu was crying like this, always feeling the pangs of separation from Krishna. That Radharani is feeling. Karuna Vidha, Mahaprabhu always crying, Kaha moro pranamath murali babana, Kaha karo, Kaha pahu, Brajendra Nandana, Kahare kohibo, Keva jani mor dukho, Brajendra Nandana vina ati mor dukho. You understand Mahaprabhu says? Kaha moro pranamath murali babana, where is my Lord, the Lord of my heart? That murali badana, you follow murali badana? Fruit, the lips, is the Lord of my heart, he says. Gauranga says. Radharani, because Radha Bhav is predominant is Radha Bhav. Kahan karo? Kahan kam Govinda Vandana? Where shall I go? Where shall I find out? Find out that son of Nanda Maharaj. And what shall I do? Saying this and that. Kahan nahi wo? Kevada nahi wo? Whom shall I say this thing? Whom shall I tell this thing? Can anybody realize the pain I am having in my heart? Huh? Can anybody think so? Whom shall I tell this thing? Brajendra Mandanamina Adi. My heart is pierced. Is being pierced. Without the son of Nanda Maharaj. So pain is there in my heart. Huh? So he says, Anarthita charing chira karunayavathilna karau samarpaitunnata jalasan so bhakti sriyan hari prata sunnaraditi kadamba sandipito sada Ude Kundari Suratubo Satinandana. There were many precious incarnations of the Supreme Personality Godhead, but none were so generous, kind, magnanimous as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. For he distributed the most confidential aspect of devotional service, namely the conjugal love of Radha and Krishna. Therefore, Sri Rupa Goswami Pad desired that Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu live perpetually in the hearts of all devotees, for thus they can understand and relish the loving affairs of Srimati Radha and Krishna. Otherwise, it's not possible. Anarpita charin chirat karnaya avatinna karal. Anarpita. It was not given previously. You understand? Anarpita means it was not given previously. What is this prema? Radha Krishna prema. Very confidential. So bhakti sriyam unnata ujjvala rasa. Bhakti sri is prema bhakti. Rasa, mellow. It was not given previously. You understand? So Mahaprabhu came to give this. Prema namu pracharita ei avakara. Ei dui hetu avakara. Dui hetu avatari vaya bhaktagana apne aswade prema namu sankirtana. Two reasons are there. You understand? One external, one internal. You understand? Already said. We have discussed that. Appearance there, Gauranga. 3 days we discussed that point topic. Therefore he descended, he incarnated himself with his dear devotees and did Sankirtan. You understand? Through that Harinam Sankirtan, he himself releases that mellow of prema and also distributes freely. Here he says, Ekala mala karami kote pholo khado. Na diya ei pholo ar ki koribo? I am the only gardener. If I do not distribute these fruits, what shall I do with them? How many fruits can I alone eat? To distribute it, himself relishing and distribute it. Sei tware achanare kirtan sansare nama premo mala ganchi koro paraina sadara. Kaviraj Goswami. You understand? He started this prema nama sankirtana. This is not a mere nama sankirtana. Adjective is there. His prema is adjective to nama sankirtana. This is a prema nama sankirtana. He started. You follow me? It's not a mere nama sankirtana. It's a prema nama. Huh? You follow me now? Yes. It's a prema nama sankirtana. Sankara kirtana sansare nama prema maraganti. Railasara. Achanale. You understand? Even Chandalas was lowest. You understand? Persons, dogitas, sinful, degraded. You understand? He gives pain. You see? Huh? he Nama Prema Mala Korailasana. He makes a garland of his holy name. You understand? This is garland of Nama Prema. You understand? And he gives that garland to everybody indiscriminately. Put on this garland. You understand? Nama Prema Mala Ranti Korailasana. That is it. In Sikhastaka it says. That is right. Tunadapi Sunichino Karuri Vasaisnuna Amanina Manudina Kirtaniyo Sadayuri. You understand? Yeah? Most important. Tunadapi Sunichino Karuri Vasaisnuna Amanina Manudino Kirtaniyo Sadayuri. This is the mood. उत्तम हुआ अपना के माने he is उत्तम, he is topmost, but he thinks himself the lowest of the low. Not some lower than a blade of grass lying on the street. You understand? And as tolerant as a tree. Amani Manado doesn't demand respect. Rather gives respect to one. You understand? Jibe Samman Dive, Ani Krishna Vishwan. It doesn't disrespect even a tiny ant. There's respect because Krishna is there. Isn't it? Krishna is there. This is prema. Ei matta hoya. Ei matta hoya. Krishna nama lo. Shri Krishna so Ramiparo Prema Pujoye Shri Krishna so Ramiparo Prema. One science is Hare Krishna. With this move, he develops prayer. You understand? यही मतलब यहाँ पे एक कृष्ण नाम है श्री कृष्ण सभी बात. You understand? So chanting this Hare Krishna one can develop free, get free. But the mood should be like that. Otherwise, no free. यही मतलब यहाँ. You understand? That is Mahaprabhu's teaching. So, Nama Prema Mala. You are making a garland of Nama Prema. You understand? Making it. चिरागतम निज गुप्त बीतम स्वप्रेम नामामृतमत्युदार आकाशरम जो विपदार गौरव कुसुमने दस्तमं प्रपते. It was not given previously, this prema. You understand? It was not given. This Gupta people, most confidential, hidden treasure, this prema. Not given. But in Gauravatar, it distributed to Brahmanas, Sandalas, indiscriminately, without discrimination. You understand? Everybody. How? It is, this is a question, a very, very confidential topic, and very deep question. How he makes this garland of Nama Prema, and how he puts that garland in the neck of people. You understand? Yes, philosophical discussions. The name is both sadhan and sadhya. What is the name? Means as well as goal. Or what? Means and end or goal. Isn't it? Sadhan, sadhya. Sadhan means. end is goal. You understand? Sadhan is name and end is prema. Isn't it? Goal is prema. Sadhan is holy name and goal is prema. Sadhan satya. You understand? Nama phole Krishna pade prema upujoy. Because this holy name, if chanted offenselessly, will give you prema. This satya, the end. You understand? Both sadhan and satya is both means as well as end. Isn't it? This name. Then, question is that. Means and end. How? This means and end, these two, how they are united together. And how they are, what do you say? In English I can say, made a garland. You understand? Prema, nama. Nama, name is means, prema is the hand. You understand? And they are garlanded. Sealed together. And a garland is prepared. How it is? This is the means and end. Together, sealed together. And a garland is prepared. How it is? This is the confidential question. You follow my language? Very, very deep question. Philosophical question. You understand? The prema, Gauranga Mahaprabhu is giving is not ordinary prema. You understand? If someone gets that prema, he kicks mukti. He kicks it out. Isn't it? Such prema. You understand? And among all this prema, Braj Prem is better. Braj Prem. You follow me? And among Braj Prem, Gopi Prem is much better. So of the Gopi Prem, Radha Prem is the best. You understand? And Mahaprabhu is giving the best one. He is releasing and distributing. You understand? That he says, Ekala mala karami kote polo khagas. Na diya yehi polo ar ki karibo. I am only God. So many fruits of prema fruit is now ripened prema. How many can I eat alone? What shall I do unless I distribute it? You understand? Is releasing, is not selfish, is also distributing. One and all in this is wonderfully munificent, wonderfully magnanimous, wonderfully merciful. Isn't it? Adbhuta Karuna. So, here it is said, भजनेर मध्य श्रेष्ठ नवविधा भक्ति कृष्ण प्रेम कृष्ण दीते धरी महाशक्ति नवविधा भक्ति श्रवणम कीर्तनम कृष्ण स्मरणम वंदनम पाद सेवनम दास्य सत्संग आत्मनिवेदन नवविधा भक्ति you know? Nice. So this navavida bhakti in that navavida bhakti तार मध्य सर्वश्रेष्ठ नाम संकीर्तन is the best of this navavida bhakti. Ochirag mere bhai Krishna prema na, because through this nam sankirtan one gets Krishna prema very quickly. If your chanting is pure without offense. You understand? According to Rupa Goswami, Ado Sraddha, Tata Sadhu Sangho, Tata Bhadru Kriya, Tata Anartha Nibruti. Then comes Nishta. You understand what he says? After Anartha Nibruti, when Anarthas are completely destroyed, one attains the stage of Nishtha. You understand? Nishtha hoite upujoy prema tarang. Unless one attains this stage of Nishtha, there is no question of prema at all. It is just beginning. Just beginning. Like born, seed form. Just beginning. You understand? Nishtha. Then Nishtha to Nishtha, then Ruchi, then Asakti, then Prema. You understand? Abo, Prema. This is gradual development. Huh? So through this Nam-Sankirtan, Prema Nam-Sankirtan, it's gradually develops. Do you follow? If you really do pure Sankirtan of pure name under the guidance of a bona fide Gaura Priya, Acharya, Guru, who is very, very dear to Gauranga, then your anarthas will be completely erased, destroyed. Then let the Nishtha stays. Otherwise, possible. Then gradual development of Ruchi, Asakti, Prema, then Bhava. You understand? In Ujjalanamani, when someone attains that platform of Prema, then it's also, there is also gradual development. What is that? In Ujjalanamani it is said, Sneha, Mana, Gunaya, Raga, Anuraga, Bhava, then Mahabhava. Last one. You understand? This is the last one. That is known as Ujjala, Unnata Ujjala Rasa. This verse says, Samarpayitu Unnata Ujjala Rasa. This verse is quoted here. Prabhupada has quoted this verse only. He has not explained it. Only quotation. Only quotation. I am trying to explain it. Do you follow me? That Acharya said. Anarpita Charinchira Karvayam Apathilma Karai Samarpayitu Unnata Ujjala Rasam. So Bhakti is the young. This is most significant. That is Unnata Ujjala Rasa is Mahabhava. You understand? It's known as Mahabhava. That is only available with Srimati Radharani. You understand? It is only available with Srimati Radharani. Not with any gopis. Not with any gopis. You understand? That is known as Madanaksha Mahabhava. You understand? That is known as Madanaksha Mahabhava. You just hear this name. There are so many things. Madana, Modana, that will come up. I am not going to explain all these things. It is all in Ujjala. Then you have to go to Ujjala. What is Modana? What is Madana? And what is Mahabhava like this? Only you hear this thing. Just put it in your ear only. And it makes some advancement. Then it may come up to you. If you are really anchoring at it, you have developed greed for it. Then it will come. Otherwise, how will it come? You understand? If you give a garland of pearls to a monkey, can you understand its value? You say, what is this? Yeah. Just bite it, then you throw it. Oh, this is nonsense. Garland of pearls. Give it to a monkey. Similarly, you are like a monkey. If I give this, you just give it and throw it. Why shall I give it to you? Don't be angry with me. Just I was telling you this thing. Because when this verse comes up, so I am going to tell you. Prabhupada are going to put it the verse. He doesn't explain it. Because you cannot understand it. You understand? You don't know its value. You are a monkey. So, this Madanaksha Mahabhava, like that is Srimati Radharani is known as Naganakya Mahabhavamoyi. And Mahaprabhu has accepted that mood. So this question comes up. Sadhana Bhakti, Nam Sankirtan is Sadhana Bhakti. Is sadhan. Then sadhya is prema. And is means and end. Goal is prema. How the means and goal come together and are still together and made a garland. And Mahaprabhu made it. And Mahaprabhu now gives that garland each and one. Everybody putting on the around neck of everybody. How it is and how. That is the question. Guys, stop here. And who knows the answer? Gaurangera Dutipada Dharadhana Sampada. Sejani Bhakti Rasa. Gaura Prema Rasanade Setarangi Devadube. Seradhana. They know. Only they know the answer to this question. This purpose, whose only wealth philosophy is to lotus feet of Gauranga, and who is always inundating, drowning himself in that unlimited ocean of prema, Gaura prema. You understand? Setaranga Devadube. Only he knows. He is very intimate, very dear to Radha. Nobody knows. You understand? So, I may say tomorrow we have this class. Setting the down class. You understand? So I will try and invest in all this question. How it is. How both means and ends seem together. And the gunline is made. How could Mahaprabhu do it? And how he hits it one and all. He puts that gunline around the neck of everybody. You understand? Thank you. There's a question here. Very well. Govinda here is a difficult. Another easy thing to explain. Gaura Tattva. Therefore, he is so confident Tattva. Very, very confident Tattva. Chaitanya Chaitanya is known as postgraduate scholar. But you are a primary student. But you are sitting in postgraduate class. How can you understand? Without the mercy of Gauranga, without the mercy of Sanskrit, they are devotees of Gauranga. One cannot understand. One cannot understand. Not possible. Not possible. Not possible at all. Follow. We are not actor at all. We pray, please remove your apologies. I want that. Because when we speak of prema, it is personal. It is not impersonal. You understand? It's personal. Yes. You speak of a person, it becomes impersonal. We stop it. I want it to be a personal voice. Yes. What do you want? What do you say?
Yes, I worship Gopala who is by himself.
Yes.
Madhavendra for his deities.
Yes.
You saw him in Chicago.
Ah.
And I had a lot of controversy among devotees in the movement who were telling me from sannyasis that the Radharani is not there. But my understanding is that according to the Gayatri mantra, is that we're asking for the mercy of all the acharyas, and the goal is to love Krishna.
Yes.
And even Radharani is bringing us to Krishna. So then, if they will understand it, even though they tell me.
You see, Manjari. Radharani may not be there. If Gauru is there, his Radharani, his mood is complex. Without Gaura's mercy, you can't go. You can't go. Our Gaura is there. Then you go. Yes.